So this is my favorite, the Galvanic Face Spa with the body conductor head. Okay, so this one we use it with setting number 4 for 5-minute intense, or number 5 for a quickie treatment. Okay, so what we do with this is we're going to use the Galvanic Body Gel. So Galvanic Body Gel, we can just open it up, put it on the shoulder here. Okay, sometimes I put it over here because I want to do the face. Sometimes I put it here. This is the lymph nodes, your lymph nodes connected to your face, to your shoulder. If you're always on a computer, you're always on the phone, you know, you're gonna have even stiff neck, frozen shoulders, strain or something like that lah. Anything around here lah, it's always here and the pressure's always here. Okay, use this and do a lymphatic drainage. So how we do it is, imagine the gel is there, then you just wipe it up. You actually, with this, right, it's like wasa but without the pain. You can actually feel if when you go gliding through your skin, right, you can actually feel if there's any lymph node swollen. So sometimes when you're doing certain areas like here, right, like this jawline, usually these are the water retention area. So when you do here and you do it, you know, this is the laughing. When you laugh, this is the laughing muscle. You feel the pain one because, you know, nobody ever massage your laughing muscles. So, you know, here at the back of the ear especially, that's where a lot of things get stuck. You pull it down, 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 down to your shoulder. Yeah, down, down. Sore throat, yes, sore throat. Thyroid, maybe, I don't know, you can try. Sore throats, really lumps. When you're doing, right, even at the back, got a headache, right? Got a headache, you just do it right at the back here, okay? Here's a bump. Yeah, this bump is where a lot of pain, discomfort happens. So it's at the back here. Pull it down, pull, pull, pull. As you're doing, right, you will notice the solution will change color. So how it change color, I'll attach the image up here. Okay, so when it change colors, you will know different colors will indicate the different type of stuff that this is pulling out from you. It's gonna extract those bad things out from you. Okay, but this is not a magic pill or anything. It's just a good treatment to detox through relief. Yeah, so you can just do that, especially if you're always faced with pollution every day, right? We need to somehow find a way to detox inside out. Yeah, so this is gonna pull all the toxin that is blocking our flow of blood. Okay, blood flow, or whatever you call it. So usually, yeah, that's what happens. Frozen shoulders are stuck for a reason one. So when you have frozen shoulders, also same, you can just it will relieve very fast. Stiff neck especially. I always wake up with frozen neck. I don't know. When you turn and then your neck pain, wow, the electric pain come like that one. Yeah, sleep on the wrong side of the bed, pillow not high enough, posture problem, you know. Sitting in front of the computer, also your posture also very important. So this one will help to relieve all that pain. And another thing to note is you can also use this for the back. Okay, so for my kids, I use it at their back area. So yeah, I'll show a photo here as well. So you see the back area of baby, right? For your kids lah, follow the backbone, side, down, side, okay? Gently, don't need to so hard. Okay, gently can already one. Yeah, because what it's going to do is going to drain off anything that's blocked as well. It's like wasa lor, but without the pain, without the harmful effect, okay? And another thing to note is because, you know, when my kids, when they're having flu, I will always do it at the back of the neck. Right at the back of the neck, okay? Your back of the neck, right? The center. I'll do there. Headache also is over there. You also notice some people's neck behind like swollen one. That one also have to do. That's like water retention. Get someone else to do it if you can, because it's at the back. If not, you can just like that, left and right. Switch hand. That's what I do. I switch hand. Stomach also can. Any cellulites on your body anywhere also. Hand also can. Yeah, your arm. If your hand here pain because you always play phone, always phone like that, right? Here, must do here. Fingers. You numb one, you're always on the phone, your hand is always bent like that. Here you're gonna pain, the pain is gonna travel all the way until your neck one. It's all connected one, okay? And then if you have knee pain, leg pain, also you do the same thing. Okay, if you carry baby a lot, carry your kids a lot, the pain's gonna come here. And actually because the pain also started from here, from breastfeeding, here all the way here, these are the lymph nodes. Yeah, you'll notice here got bump one here, very painful one. Just keep doing it. It's going to reduce the swollenness, remove whatever water retention that's stuck there, expel whatever wind that is causing the pain. You know, over time you will feel relief one. Yeah, one thing you can do this, I do this very frequent lah, okay, but you can do this every day. Okay, and like I said, sore throat here, flu at the back, fever also always at the back. And yeah, I do it for the face because, right, body gel is for shaping, so you shape body, you can shape face also. But one thing you need to know is if you do for the face, right, you might need to be prepared for breakouts. Yeah, acne breakout, because what it's going to do is it's a very intensive extraction. For the body, it's okay, it's meant for the body, but our face, because it's a different layer of skin texture, so when you do for the face, right, it's going to be too extensive for the face. So usually after when I do it on my face, right, really my face will slim down one, but I will have pimple breakout a bit. Yeah, I will. So after that, I will stand by my acne set and just put because I know it's pulling out the toxin very geng one. Yeah, very intense one. Yeah. Sometimes I use this. Okay, I don't turn it on, but I just use this like that. Like that. It's not on. Headache. Temples. Rub the temples. Temple. Then you see here because it's bended, right? So you can do this over your eyebrow for migraine. Wow, very shock. I tell you, this one damn shift one. When you need to just relax and just massage, you pull. I say I pull it a bit. You can feel one. You really can feel like. Relief. After you pull, you feel relief one. Yeah, so you know, that's how we do. It's a 5 minutes or 2 minutes treatment, whole body also can. You want to reduce your bye wing, but you need more effort lah. So when you do the time, right, your this hand also, if you overdo one hand, might be tired, then you need to do for this hand, yeah. So this is one of the body gel that I love so much. Then after I use that, right, the body, you rinse, wash, clean away, must wash away, clean away, not sticky one, clean away. Then you can also get this dermatic effects for the body, not face. But dermatic effects works together with the body gel. So what happens is after we body spa our body, reduce a few inches, burn a few cellulites and burn a few fats over here, right? So what's going to happen is after you rinse it away, you can use this and just apply like a moisturizer over it. Yeah. Why we use this to apply? Because this is going to do contouring. It's going to continue to burn fat on itself without rinsing off or doing anything. Yeah. So this is like a last time they used this to, you know, to smoothen the appearance of fat and cellulite, improve the skin firmness and moisturize at the same time. So this is for the body one. Yeah. So I call this the safe button. After you remove the fat, you put this as a safe button and continue to burn fat without sparring anymore. Yeah. So yeah, look, that's how we use the body gel, and it's very functional, and one device, so many benefits, and really it's amazing. But for me, right, because sometimes I got this. I also got this, the Galvanic Body Spa is only for the body, so this one I cannot use face one. Okay, so what I do for this, right, is same thing for the body, just that the base is different. You see, this is like Wasa, this one is full body. So I have this purposely just for full body only. Yeah, bigger areas. But of course, this works the same. Okay, so yep, enjoy.